In the process of refurbishing this Science Fair 100-in-1 project kit that I bought for much cheapness, but it's come in a poor condition. It was missing the 9-volt battery holder. Every single terminal, they're all here, I've ripped them out. You can see all rusty and falling apart. Many of the component wires have succumbed to corrosion damage and have snapped off. This board has sagged over the years. So you can see it's got a bend in it. These side walls have collapsed, and there's one or two breaking away because it's not flat. So we'll see about making some corner pieces and sticking it back together. Okay, try and clean up all this mess. Freshen it up. So we'll get that stand up straight. So we've got all the components out. We have to clean up all the leads on these. They're all corroded, aren't they? You probably can't see very well. But what's worse is the relay here, these fine wires inside that come from that sort of middle section there. The coil snapped off right into the base. Might not be able to fix it, might have to order a new one. Same with the audio transformer. Look at the fine wire here, the red one. Try and focus that for you. Get the picture, it all needs redoing. Spraying up and putting new leads on to get back to the terminals. It's a surface mount special chip thing, it all needs the leads replacing. Yeah, what is it? That's a resistor, that's a resistor, that's a transistor, that's a capacitor, and that's 2 resistors, and that's a diode. What? Exactly. Solar cell's knackered. You see the silver strips missing here, and there's all this discoloration, whatever it is. I'll just put a modern day equivalent in, it'll be better, more efficient. It's 1972. Won't be that efficient. The meters come apart. Broken terminal here on the little batteries. These are loose. Speaker's okay, just needs rehousing. And the lamp. These terminals need replacing. And it should be okay. So the next task is to carefully remove all the lovely nice spring terminals out of this kit and drop them into the other one. These are really common. You can pick these up dead easy, so it's no loss. But we want to see this older, rarer piece working. Because there's not many of these about, so it should be repaired really.